Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this, the Sun-C 5 megapixel full HD PoE/IP bullet security camera with 256 gigabyte of storage capacity if you're going to buy a TF card for it. We have two-way communication possibility and a lot of more because this is a 24/7 smart surveillance camera. It protects every moment. Yeah, every moment it will be protect for us. Intelligent detection of people and vehicles. Process protection, that means we can have no recognition on the nature, for example, but we have recognition on the human and vehicles. And then, of course, we have a two-way audio possibility, and this makes it really cool to make a day and night surveillance solution, and it captured every detail with 20 frames per second. Smooth and rich in details at night and at daytime, of course. We have a wide angle and IP67 waterproof that's suited for any weather condition out there. Of course, we have two simple installations, easy steps. First thing is we can have the camera itself, of course, and then we're going to buy separately a 12-volt AC adapter for that. And we dock then a local area network cable into a router, for example, or into a switch or something else. That means we need a connectivity possibility to our local area network, of course. And then we connect the power via a AC adapter, and this both will connect to the camera. Job's done. That means now we can go directly using the URL, the IP to go to the camera system, or you can use an app if you're going to download the Sun-C Live app, and you can use your smartphone for that too, of course. The other way to dock this into your system is data and power via transfer. One PoE cable. That's enough. So we go to our PoE system and we use the PoE cable to operate by using the power and the informations. And we have an integrated TF card slot with maximum 256 gigabyte. The micro SD card is not included, so you have to buy that separately. And then we can start with that. Intelligent function, flexible management. It's not only one device you can add, it's a lot of device because we have a resolution of 2880 to 1620, and it's 2.5 times as high as 1080p and 5 times higher as 720p. It is equipped with a 1/3 inches progressive scan CMOS sensor that delivers clear images and rich details both day and night, and with a BLC, the blacklight composition. It comes to us with a 3D digital noise reduction and an HLC highlight compression, and with the recognition of people and vehicle and the reduction of 99% of false alerts by non-target movement, such as animals or swinging branches or something else. And it supports access via client software, web browsers, and mobile apps. So users like us can be view monitoring footage anytime, anywhere, and stay informed about the monitored situation out there. It supports both PoE power supply and DC 12-volt power supply. And video masking function. It supports video cover-up, which allows us to strictly protect private areas and, if it is necessary, select key images to ensure that both the visibility and important recording on the protective privacy are guaranteed. And of course, high degrees of the protection. With IP67 protection class, it can be reliably operated in extreme temperature conditions from minus 30 degrees Celsius up to 60 plus. And is there suitable for various extreme environments? No problem for this camera here. And of course, we can add this to our system. We have a surveillance system at home? No problem. We can add this by using the internet or the local area network supply for that. This all brings us here. This Sanse 5 megapixel full HD PoE bullet security camera. It comes with two-way communication and it looks really professional. It makes a good job, of course. It comes with a good camera system and it's here for protect your property. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.